Hello, my name is Dominic Steckley and I'm the CEO of Welding Alloys Group. And for 60 years now, Welding Alloys has delivered on three key promises. Supply you can count on, delivering the right product with the right quality at the right time, keeping your production running. Technical expertise that genuinely works, making sure every solution performs as promised, reliably, safely, and consistently. And long-term partnerships through committed people, innovation, and on-the-ground support, helping you stay competitive year after year.
We've advanced through innovation, combining research and development and technical expertise to make equipment stronger and last longer. We measure success in reliability, in uptime, and in the trust our customers place in us. Worldwide, across every team and site, it's our people who make us who we are. Their know-how, their collaboration, and the hard work that drives our success. We don't just work with customers, we grow with them. Through enduring partnerships built on trust and expertise, we continue to shape stronger, more sustainable industries together. Today, we're driven by the same purpose: to deliver reliability through every wire, every machine, and every wear solution, evolving with technology and the changing needs of industry. The spark that started it all still burns bright. We are Welding Alloys, built to last.